7 money moves that can take you from paycheck to paycheck to your first $100,000. What if the hardest $100,000 you will ever build is your first, not your second, not your third, your first? Because before you reach that first, you're fighting against debt, low savings, lifestyle inflation, unexpected bills, and one extremely powerful enemy. But something changes once your money begins working for you. Your investments start producing those returns, can produce more returns, and suddenly you're no longer building wealth. Your money is helping you. I'm going to show you 7 money moves that can help take you from living paycheck to paycheck toward building your first and stay until money move number 7, because it's the mistake that can quietly delay financial freedom for years. Let's begin. The real problem. Millions of Americans work hard, get paid, pay rent or a mortgage, pay the car payment, pay credit cards, buy groceries, pay subscriptions, and then for the next paycheck, the cycle, after month, after year. And here's the dangerous part. You can earn more money and still remain trapped, because earning money and building wealth are not the same thing. Your paycheck pays your bills, but your assets can build your freedom. So how do you begin with money? Move. Number 1. The first step is to educate yourself about personal finance and investment options. Seek out resources that can help you understand where your money is going and how to make it work for you. Next, explore different avenues for investment. Whether it's real estate stocks or starting your own business, diversifying your income streams can lead to greater financial independence. Create a budget that works for you. Track your income and expenses meticulously so you can identify areas where you can save and invest more effectively. Invest in your knowledge by attending seminars and workshops. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can inspire and motivate you to make informed financial decisions. Money move number 1. Find your financial leaks. Before trying to make more money, find out where your current money is disappearing. Most financial problems don't begin with one huge purchase. They often grow through dozens of small, repeated expenses you forgot about. Delivery fees, impulse shopping, high interest payments, unused memberships, convenience spending. They may look harmless. They can consume hundreds of dollars every month. For the next 30 days, every dollar, not to punish yourself, to understand yourself. You cannot control, you don't track 3 expenses you can reduce without destroying your quality of life. Don't simply spend that money somewhere else. Redirect it toward your future. That's where move number 2. Money move number 2. Build a starter emergency fund. Your car breaks down. You receive an unexpected medical bill. What happens? If you have no cash reserve, the emergency often becomes credit card debt. And now one problem becomes 2, the unexpected expense and the interest you may pay for months or years. That's why, before aggressively building wealth, a financial buffer, start small. Your first goal could be, or another amount for your situation. Work toward a larger emergency fund based on your essential monthly expenses and personal circumstances. Keep emergency money and separate from everyday spending. An emergency fund does something investments cannot. It gives you financial breathing room when life goes wrong. And once that foundation is stronger, the enemy that may be quietly stealing your future. Money move number 3. Destroy high-interest debt. Credit card debt can become one of the biggest obstacles between you and wealth. Here's why. If you're paying very high interest on debt while trying to build wealth, you're running a financial race with a weight to your ankle, a debt attack plan. One common approach is the debt avalanche. Focus extra payments on the debt with the highest interest rate while continuing required minimum payments on the others. Another approach is the debt snowball, where you focus on the smallest balance to build momentum. The important thing is having a clear system. Every high-interest balance you eliminate can free up more cash flow for your future. And when that payment disappears, don't upgrade your lifestyle, that money, into assets. Which brings us to money move number 4. Money move number 4. Automate your wealth. Most people try to save what's left at the end of the month. But somehow, there's rarely anything left. The system. Instead of spend first, save later, pay your future, set up automatic transfers around payday. Money can move towards savings, retirement accounts, or diversified investments. For your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Why automate? Motivation changes, discipline gets tired, life gets busy, but systems keep working. If building wealth requires you to make a perfect decision every single month, you may fail. But when the right decision happens automatically, becomes easier, and consistency is where compounding gets powerful as we explore ways to increase the gap between income and spending. There are 2 basic methods to create more investable money: spend less or earn more. The strongest strategy often involves both approaches. Cutting expenses has its limits. You can only cut so much. Income, on the other hand, has more room to grow. So ask yourself, what skill could increase your earning power? Could you negotiate your salary? Earn a certification. Consider the possibilities as you take a course or gain a new certification that could enhance your skill set. Networking can open doors. Attending events where you meet potential employers might lead to a new job opportunity. The universe of income is vast and filled with potential just waiting for you to explore. Practice makes perfect. Standing before a mirror, you sharpen your negotiation skills to prepare for discussions that could boost your salary. Make the commitment by marking important dates on your calendar for workshops and seminars that will enhance your professional development. Build a side business. Create digital products. A higher value skill, an extra or 1,000 per month, can become powerful if it doesn't disappear into lifestyle inflation. And that's the key. When your income rises, don't allow every expense to rise with it. The gap. That gap between what you earn and what you spend is where can be built. Money move number 6. Make your first 100K a system, not a dream. I want is not a financial plan. You need a system. The big number into smaller, repeatable actions. How much can you realistically save or invest each month? Can you increase that amount every time your income rises? Can you use tax-advantaged accounts when appropriate for your situation? Can you avoid constantly interrupting your investments for lifestyle purchases? Your exact timeline will depend on your contributions, investment returns, and market performance. There is no guaranteed date, but the principle is powerful. Your first doesn't usually arrive from one brilliant investment. It is more often built through hundreds of disciplined decisions. One paycheck, one contribution, 1 month at a time. Something important begins happening. Your existing money has more potential to contribute to future growth. And that brings us to the final move. Money move number 7. Don't interrupt compounding is where many people damage their progress. They begin investing. The account grows. They see a new car, a bigger house, a luxury vacation. The market falls, and fear takes over. So they interrupt the process. They withdraw, stop investing, or panic sell without a plan. And every time you unnecessarily interrupt compounding, you may not only lose money today, you may lose what that money could have become from now. Wealth builders, a powerful principle. Your investments need time, not excitement, not constant action. Of course, your investments should fit your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. But once you have a sound long-term plan, don't let every headline Your financial future may feel boring, but boring can build wealth. The 100K Roadmap. Here's your blueprint. Where your money goes. An emergency buffer. High-interest debt. Saving and investing. The gap between income and expenses into a monthly system. And protect your compounding from unnecessary interruptions. Something important of these moves: winning the lottery. None require the next hot stock. And none becoming rich. They require far more powerful. One day, you'll receive a paycheck, just like you do today. But something will be different. You won't need every dollar just to survive until the next one. You'll have financial breathing room. That's when you'll realize it was never just about seeing a bigger number on a screen. It was about buying back over your life. Your first may feel far away, but every $10 saved, $100 invested, every debt you eliminate, and every financial mistake you refuse to repeat moves you one step. Don't wait until you earn the perfect salary, until the market feels perfect. The system you can start. Your financial future isn't built, it's being built. If this video helped you see a clearer path from paycheck to paycheck toward real wealth, hit the like button to finance growth and join us as we break down the money strategies that can help ordinary Americans. Financial freedom. Tell me in the comments, which money move are you starting? And don't miss the next video, because we're going one step deeper. What happens after your first 100K? The wealth building snowball most people never reach. Getting to your first 100,000 is only the beginning. What happens after that could completely change the way you think about building wealth. He'll see you in the next. The way you think about building wealth shapes your financial future. He'll see you in the next finance growth documentary. Each perspective brings unique insights, unveiling different paths to prosperity. Together, we will explore the many facets of financial growth that can inspire anyone on their journey. With determination and the right mindset, anyone can achieve their financial dreams. Join us as we celebrate the victories that come with hard work and strategic planning.